In an era where environmental consciousness is paramount, eco-friendly innovations have become more than just a trend, they are a necessity. Among these advancements is the Smart Air Quality Monitor, designed specifically for those who prioritize sustainability in their daily lives. This state-of-the-art device is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing it to seamlessly integrate into your smart home ecosystem. It continuously monitors critical air quality indicators such as carbon dioxide, CO2 levels and total volatile organic compounds, TVOCs, providing real-time data on your indoor air environment. The monitor's intuitive interface ensures that understanding the health of your air is as simple as checking the weather. But this monitor goes beyond just measurement. It offers actionable insights. Through its built-in Eco Tips feature, users receive personalized suggestions on how to improve air quality and reduce their ecological footprint. Whether it's recommending natural ventilation strategies or suggesting eco-friendly cleaning products, the monitor becomes your guide to sustainable living. For those looking to create a healthier, greener home, the Smart Air Quality Monitor is an indispensable tool. It not only enhances your awareness of indoor pollutants, but also empowers you to make informed decisions that benefit both your well-being and the planet. To learn more about this innovative product and explore other eco-conscious solutions, feel free to visit my homepage. You can reach out via my email listed there, and I will be happy to assist you within 24 hours. Let's work together to make sustainable choices that contribute to a cleaner, greener future.